Hi, welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Cade, and we're from NeoNet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate the control center of your Apple device and the quick settings of your Android device.
The resources for this video can be found in Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking on the link below.
Let's start with Apple. The Control Center menu on Apple devices allows you to access various features of the Apple device without having to go into your settings menu. To quickly access some of the settings for your device, simply use the swipe gesture in an upward motion from the bottommost portion of your screen. This will access your Control Center. Features of the Control Center include Wi-Fi, cellular data, airplane mode, Bluetooth, auto rotation lock, camera, brightness, sounds, do not disturb, music, and additional features. You will also be able to add additional features to your Control Center by selecting the Control Center tab in your settings menu. From there, you will be able to control the different features in your Control Center.
Now on to Android. The Quick Settings menu on Android allows you to access various features of the Android device without having to go into your settings menu. To quickly access some of the settings for your device, simply use the swipe gesture in a downward motion from the topmost portion of your screen. This will access your notifications menu. Swipe downward again to access the Quick Settings tray. Features of the Quick Settings menu include Wi-Fi, cellular data, battery life, flashlight, auto rotation lock, Bluetooth, airplane mode, Chromecast, do not disturb, and location tracker. Additional features depend on the device and the software version. You will also be able to add additional features to the Quick Setting menu by selecting more options, then dragging the new icons to the Quick menu. Just a reminder, Android operating systems have some differences, especially on the version currently installed on your device. This video display may not be identical to what is displayed on your device.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about understanding the Control Center of your Apple device and the quick settings of your Android device. For more information, visit Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, which can be found in the link below.
We would like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.